Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to deny clan requests in Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, open the Clash of Clans app. Clan invites can be blocked via the in-game settings menu. This can be accessed by selecting the gray cog icon from the main menu screen and choosing the options menu. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.